Gina Silva shows us a story you'll only see here on Fox. It's taken this woman a long time for justice, Gina.
It certainly has. It is heartbreaking. This mother was awarded $3.1 million, but she says that money does not make up for all of the years that she lost with her baby.
Losing my son was the worst thing. It feels like someone literally took your heart and ripped it out.
Rafaelina Duval's baby Ryan was taken away when he was only 15 months old. Social workers from the LA County Department of Children and Family Services accused Duval of abusing her baby.
They allege willful and intentional starvation of a child with an E count, which is severe neglect.
Baby Ryan was thin and failing to thrive. Social workers put the blame on Duval, and without a warrant, he was removed from her custody on November 3rd, 2009. Sean McMillan is Duval's attorney.
The law is very clear, and they get training on this. You cannot seize a child from its parents unless there's an emergency.
Not only was baby Ryan taken away without a warrant, social workers ordered no reunification because they were concerned Duval had Munchausen syndrome by proxy. They claimed she would intentionally make her child sick to get attention. They based it on the fact that Ryan was small for his age, and Duval would take him to doctors, hoping they could find what was wrong with him.
The issue was that we couldn't find what it was. And at the same time, the baby had just begun to his weight to be stagnant. I will come in for weight checks, but we couldn't find the cause.
Duval was only allowed monitored visitation, an hour and a half every 2 weeks.
I thought it was unfair. I tried to petition to the court to give me more time, but it was up to DCFS to give me more time. And I know that through them, they will never give me more time.
7 years have passed, and Duval still doesn't have custody of her child. But she's never stopped fighting for Ryan, who is now 8 years old. This week, a jury found DCFS social workers intentionally and willfully seized her child without a warrant, and did so with malice. Duval was awarded $3.1 million.
Money is not everything, and no money can ever satisfy how I feel.
But here's the thing, even though she has won this case, Lena is not getting custody of her boy. Lena, can you explain that? Because to most of us, it doesn't make any sense.
Unfortunately, the statements that the social workers provided to a juvenile judge led to the decision that I was harmful to my son. And therefore, the exit orders follow me through our family law proceedings. And unfortunately, I'm just suing the county to hold them accountable. I could never get whatever verdict I got yesterday into a family law and request.
You can't take the findings of this and say, Judge, take a look at this?
I can't. I've done so. I've tried so many times, and they have all those efforts have been denied.
So what is next for you, Lena?
Well, there was a part of our case that did not make it to the jury, and I plan to appeal that, which is the judicial deception, the fact that lying under penalty of perjury to a judge, it is against the law, and it needs to be countered.
Okay, and I understand you are helping other mothers now as well who are in similar situations.
I do. Following what happened to me, I do not wish this upon anyone. I have become an advocate for children with disability, parents with disabilities, and children wrongfully removed from unoffending families.
All right, well, we certainly wish you luck, and terribly sorry for everything that you've gone through.